Managing daily operations shouldn't be a daily struggle. Our digital daily management platform brings structure, focus, and visibility to your frontline teams, all in real time. Run standardized huddles with built-in agendas, timers, and checklists. Track attendance, mood, and team availability, while keeping everyone aligned with shared updates and operational news. Log actions directly in the meeting, assign responsibilities, set due dates, and follow up with visual status indicators, from open to done. Bring your KPIs to life with custom input fields, time series tracking, and visual dashboards, all supporting frameworks like SQDCP. Drive lean initiatives with digital PDCA boards. From prioritization models to progress tracking with real-time metrics to A3 templates, every tool is customizable. From the shop floor to leadership, this is operational excellence made actionable.